Josh, odds 1 to 5 right now. You get shot with the. All right, 3, 2, 1, 2. Which one hurts less? Not both of you. Oh, all 3. That makes more sense. This is what you're gonna be shooting.
Yo, Josh,
with.
give me.
This?
Yeah.
Okay. Fuck it. Why not? Who else has been shot with this?
Squirrel in my old house.
A squirrel?
Yeah.
You've never shot anybody. I'm scared.
BB gun.
I'm kind of terrified. He just kills me.
Oh,
Imagine he just kills me.
I want to shoot at the wall for see what happens.
You didn't do what with this before?
I don't know how this one works.
You don't know how it works?
No.
So you've never even shot this gun before?
I'm trying to figure it out.
And you're gonna shoot me? I just don't know if that's happening. I just don't know if that's gonna. So today, Matt is gonna be shooting me with a BB gun. Alright. Pussy. I'm the one with my hood up. I didn't get it, dude. I wasn't recording. Alright, Josh. Oh my god! Today, my friend Spike is getting a perm, and we have one of these. We're gonna go shoot him.
Oh, ow. That's bleeding. Yo, ow! Ow! Fuck, yo, that hurts so bad.
He's pissed. Josh. So, Josh over here, he's never. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Actually, like,
Dude, it burns my nose.
Oh my fuck! Holy shit!
we're dead.
I'll fucking eat it right now.
How big of a bite?
The whole fucking thing.
God
What are you fucking talking about? Cry. Do something interesting for the fucking video.
Yeah.
I'm not kidding. Oh, wait, it's coming. It's coming. Hang on. It's actually so bad.
Crying now. I thought you said it was nothing, huh?
It
What happened to
wasn't
that?
nothing, and now it is something. You know what I'm saying? It's hot.
Eat another one. You won't. Odds 1 to 5.
I bet. I'm crying.
3,
It's hot.
2, 1,
2.
2. Yo, you guys need another one. Come
Alright.
on. He's struggling.
I'm not
so
finished. I'm just gonna take this big ass bite. I'm done.
No, the whole thing.
Fuck. Alright.
I feel so bad. I feel so bad.
Do you want like milk or something?
I'll literally go grab you something.
It's hot.
This bread helps.
No.
Your shit won't burn as much.
Go get.
Oh, thanks, man. Thanks for the consideration. It's so bad.
I feel
So
so.
terrible.
As I'm sitting here with a camera.
Dude, you kill your friends for clout.
Yeah, basically.
This sucks, bro.
Odds 1 to 5 you know.
No, I was 1 to 5 for you. How about that? 3, 2, 1, 5. You did the same thing twice, goddamn it.
Odds 1 to 5 you eat these right now.
Bet.
Alright, word, I wasn't expecting that. 3, 2, 1, 2.
They big ass, pull up new whip and it's flash. Gun on my hip and it's plastic. This the deluxe.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Fuck! Ow! Fuck! Ow! Ow! Ow!